guys, this is Joy Das. Today we will learn how to use Multisim. Before going into details, at first I need to tell that what Multisim is and what are the basic features and aspects that it provides to the electronics engineers. Multisim is basically a simulation based software developed by National Instruments, who are continuously working in the worldwide fashion for making a better world from poverty, from diseases, etc., etc. And it helped heaps of people who were suffering from unwanted diseases. Now, to go into detail, at first I will make some brief details about the toolbars and the aspects provided by the softwares. At the top of this screen we can see that there is a name of the documents that is being processed or making. That is a design 1 for this document. Below this we have a menu bar and which has got several options. Now it has first file option, which has got save, save as, open, open samples, new documents, etc., etc. Edit has got some special aspects, graphic annotation, order, layer settings, orientation, find, select. View is for zooming in and out of the spreadsheet documents. There's several. Yeah, you can see that MCU, simulate. I will come to it later. Tools, reports, options, window, help. These are all the menu bars that are given shortcuts to us in these two bars below. These two bars, these are used for shortcut buttons. First, it has got new folder, or new documents. This is open samples, save as, print preview, cut, paste, etc., etc. Here it is, design toolbox, spreadsheet view, spice netlist viewer, grapher, parent sheet, etc. is a help. Okay. Here is a scrolling part. We can see when we used some components, we can see the list will be filled up. Now here is the main important part of this software, or you can say the heart of this software, that is a database. We can access the database from here, shortcut. What is this? This is source. Several sources are there: AC, DC source, ground, 3-phase source, delta connected 3-phase, etc., etc. VCC, VSS, several sources: signal voltage source, signal current source, current control for sources, digital sources. All the sources can be provided here. Next, here the lists of some passive components like registers, and several classifications of registers, like you can use variable capacitors, variable inductors, variable resistors, potentiometers, etc. Several components are given here with their all details. What is this? This is diode classification. Several diodes, that is LEDs, Zener diodes, switching diodes, Schottky, diac, triac, varactor, pin diode, all the diodes, SCRs, with they're all available market values have been given here. What is this? This is transistor details, that is NPN, PNP, Darlington pairs, MOSFETs, BJTs, JFETs, power MOSFETs, power BJTs, UJTs. All the details have been given here with all their classifications. Next, this is a very important part rather of the software, that is the op-amp part. Op-amp, comparator, differential amplifiers, audio amplifiers, all the specified modules that are found in the market have been given here with their specified details. And this is the title family that is given to us, which will be used in the digital circuit making. 74 series, 74 LS, 74 AS series also given here with their specified requirement modules. It is a CMOS counterparts of the TTL series. You can find rather several TTL ICs from here. Now, these are the basic database. Now the database, you can say, is grouped into two main parts. One is the master database and another one is user database. What is user database? User database is basically the master database is given to you with some specified modules that are found in the market. You may need some other modules that you need to make. Then you can create your own with the new values and save in the user database. So user database is created by your own. Till now I haven't made any one. Now to know about the software in more detail, I want to make sure that as an electronics engineer you can make you need to make two aspects. One is circuit synthesizing and another one is circuit analyzing. Till now I've been telling you the circuit synthesizing part, in which you need to know the inputs and outputs of the circuit, and accordingly you can design the circuit and get the output of your required in the circuit outputs. But another important feature of this software is you can analyze the circuit or the system you have designed. Now what is this analysis part? Analysis part corresponding to this grapher icon here. As you can see, several analysis parts can be given here. That is, if you are designing an amplifier, you can set the operating point or check the operating point if it is in the desired location. You can AC analysis, DC analysis, transient analysis, Fourier analysis. Any sort of analysis can be done here. What is this analysis part? Let me come to it in a bit clear fashion. For transient analysis, you can have two systems designed. You can take the time constants, whichever time constant is lesser, you can take that one. For Fourier analysis, you can check the ripple components in the circuit or the system you have designed, the communication system you have designed, or any sort of system you have designed. The sensitivity analysis, you can check for bandwidth and sensitivity if there is adjacent channel interference is more or less. For pole zero analysis, you can also check the stability of the system as well. Now these are the basic aspects that I am repeatedly telling, that you can synthesize the network, you can analyze the network, and also what is more, the more is that you can make a circuit and you can simulate it. That is, I'm giving a simple example. I will lit up an LED with the VCC source. Here is a VCC. Now I will go to indicators, then I go to probe. There's a blue probe, and connect it with this VCC. How to connect? You can click on the node, then go along these lines, the dotted lines, and connect with this probe. This is all. Now you can simulate. You can press F5 for shortcut on the keyboard, or you can press the simulation switch here. Switch, and the LED is blinking. That is all. That's a very simple procedure, or very simple circuit rather. I've explained you. The wires that you are connecting should go along these lines. All you need to do is just click on the wire and then press delete to remove this connection. And to enable it again, you need to click here at the node, the finishing node of this VCC, then go along these lines anywhere you can want, and then connect it here. Very simple. Some extra features also given by this software is that it provides us the measuring features, that is multimeters